Hey everybody. So what we're going to look at today is doing what is called an in-place upgrade for Windows 10, which also works identical for Windows 11. When in-place upgrade, what it does is it basically replaces all of your operating system files while leaving your files and programs, settings, preferences, all of that stuff untouched. Ideally repairing Windows files that may be corrupt or giving you trouble. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my web browser and navigate to the Microsoft.com download Windows 10 page. If you're on Windows 11, I believe you'll end up getting the Windows 11 page pretty automatically, but I'll make sure I link both of those. I want to actually scroll down to the Create Windows 10 Installation Media and download that. And then we'll open the program that we downloaded. It's going to ask for admin permissions, which we have to, of course, grant it. And that is going to start up the installer. To accept the license terms. And we want to upgrade this PC now. In the download process, the speed of this will be determined by your actual internet speed, and be patient, especially if you're on a slower internet connection here. And right here, it actually restarts the program that is downloading and getting the in-place upgrade ready. So it's restarting the setup. And next it's going to ask me to re-accept the license terms. Something must have changed with the update that it had to download. I'm just going to do one last little check for updates. Tells me it's ready to install. It's going to install Windows 10 Pro and keep my personal files and applications. So pretty much it keeps everything the same during this process. Once I click install, it's going to actually start the install process, and I will speed through that. The total time that it ends up taking for this installation ends up being approximately 22 minutes and some change on this virtual machine, which does have a very fast M.2 SSD. If your computer doesn't have a solid state drive, that is an upgrade I highly recommend. All right, and here we can see that the installation is finishing up. In just a few moments, it's going to be back at the Windows desktop with a hopefully fresh installation of Windows 10. The process, like I said earlier, took a total of 22 minutes and some change, and ended up restarting the computer twice during that process. You can expect on a conventional hard drive for this to take between probably 2 and 4 hours, and I have seen it take a little longer than that. But if your Windows is giving you some weird issues here and there, it's definitely a option worth trying to get a better experience. Best of luck. Thanks.